guys? It's Chuck and the Subaruuuuuu. God bless. Good Lord. That boost sound. Gotta love it. Guys, Chuck in the Subaruuuuuu STI. Man, this car sounds amazing. Like I said, I was gonna do a 3K review. I'm a little over that, but we're gonna do it. Do it anyways. But first, it's super early. Good morning. It's about 6:46 when I'm recording this. I'm gonna run to give me some Starbucks real quick. Wake me up, get a little wake up drink, and also I need to wash the car. It's a little, it's drizzling a little bit here in the H, so I'm gonna wait a little bit to get on the car wash for the car. But first things first, get a drink. And lately, I've been getting a lot of Starbucks, so that's where I'm going right now. Oh, okay. There we go. I'm using the gimbal that I just got, so I'm all over the place. Man, too awesome. 3K review. I told you guys I would do it. And I'm doing it. Man, this gimbal is crazy. I'm trying to figure it out. Yo, it is like controllable and everything. I love this thing. So cool. Alright. Alright. Alright, there's some people at the park, so I don't want to record yet. I'm waiting for them to get in their cars. But dude, this gimbal is so sweet. It's gonna take a lot of practice to get used to it though. Yo, so I'm gonna get those steady shots, son. Oh wait, what happened? What's going on here? Oh, I know what I'm doing. Hold on. There we go. Alright. Alright, hold on. Hold on, wait a minute. Gotta get my camera. I mean my keys. Okay, cool. Like I'm moving like crazy around. Oh yeah. Oh nope. That's not what I wanted. There we go. Steady shot of the super. Bruh. Alright, it's gonna take me some getting used to get this thing down pat. So 3K review. Them wheels. Dude, those wheels. I tried washing them best I could. Please don't rag at me. I didn't have a lot of time to work with today. Whoop. There we go. Dude, this gimbal is sick. I hope I don't make you guys dizzy. Too crazy. Alright, so, like I was saying, 3K review. There we go. No complaints. I love this car. The interior is a mess because I got that stuff there. That's the gimbal box. Here, if you guys want to know which one I got, and it works pretty good. It's got it on Amazon. Check it out, pretty dope. But yeah, everything about this Subaru. And I did kind of go over the 3,000 mark. I'm like 3,400. Again, brought it pre-owned, so don't judge on the ooh, that's so cool. So if I do this, oh sweet. So if I hit this button, wherever I go, it'll focus. You can't stop it! Yeah, what he said, you can't stop me. Oh my gosh. Look at that watch. Look at that watch. Look at this watch. Oh my lord. So yeah, no complaints. Really on anything on this car. does everything I would like for it to do. It's fun to drive. It's boosted. It finally left. Thank the Lord. And it sounds amazing. What? Yo, that's so sick. Oh my god, control that. Control that. Like, everything about this car is amazing. With the wing on it, again, it just fits the bill. It's a proper STI with that wing on it now. Proper STI. So sweet. So sick. Look at that. Yo, this gimbal. Oh my lord. Bear with me, guys. And the color, look at that color. Oh my god, I love the color too. Again, everything about this, and this is my first ever, I guess you could say, 6-speed daily driver. I love it. I love it. The doors don't lock when you drive. I have to manually lock them. I'm sure there's a way I could fix that. I just haven't figured it out yet. That's about all the complaints I have. Needs more power, baby. More power. That's another thing. It needs a little bit more power. Now I'm gonna take it to go get tuned here, hopefully in the next couple months. Once we get the tune done, we should have some more power. And like I said in a previous video, I think I told you guys I wanted a stock one because I know about the head gasket failure and all that mumbo jumbo, but they said this car was close to the stock, and I said okay, I'll take it. Psych. Cold air intake. I believe it has full exhaust. I have to double check. If not, I'm gonna make it a full exhaust one. Dude, that massive scoop just does it for me. Cold air intake. The scoop is what makes it. I love the scoop. Look how massive the thing is. God bless America. Dang, look at everybody coming over here. Oh, I think this is a daycare. I've seen their shirts before. But yeah, man. Shoo! Chee! Oh man, the blow-off valve, the turbo spool, everything about this STI is amazing. We gotta take it on track. Got to. There's no other way to enjoy this car other than the track, to be honest. And I gotta get some more driving footage for you guys. I got some GoPro attachments, so I'm gonna start getting that done here as well. Oh, like the shoes, kicking it. But yeah, a lot of people are coming to this park now. It's an awesome park. Look at that. Maybe do a park review. How about that? Nah, that'd be boring. But yeah, a real quick review. I don't have much things to say. Top 5 things I like. It's boosted, number 1. Number 2, all-wheel drive. Love the all-wheel drive. Number 3, the sounds it makes, especially with the exhaust. If you don't have an exhaust, you better get an exhaust. Number 4, the interior with the Recaro seats, amazing. And number 5, my phone connects right to the touchscreen, and I love my music. Gotta have my music. And above all, it's a 6-speed. You know what they say? The best anti-theft nowadays is that. Alright guys, it was just a quick review. I don't have much to say. I want to take it on a track to really talk more about it, because it's really a track car, a rally car, you know? So you gotta get some performance out of it. Oh, I love my speakers. Again guys, this is Chuck and the Subaruuuuuu. And we out of here. Oh my god, this gimbal. Alright guys.